F-22 Raptor has long stood as a symbol of American air dominance, but recent advancements have redefined this already formidable platform into the most aggressive stealth fighter jet the United States has ever produced. This next-generation evolution of the F-22 doesn't just maintain its superiority, it pushes the boundaries of what is possible in air combat, making it a true apex predator of the skies. Evolution of a legend. Originally developed by Lockheed Martin and introduced into service in 2005, the F-22 Raptor was the first fifth-generation fighter jet designed to secure air superiority through an unmatched combination of stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness. While production ended in 2012 with only 187 operational aircraft delivered, the platform has since received numerous classified upgrades to ensure it remains at the forefront of global air power. In 2025, the U.S. Air Force revealed a radically enhanced version of the F-22, often referred to informally as the new F-22. This version integrates technologies previously reserved for sixth-generation fighters, effectively bridging the gap between the current and next generation of air combat systems. Next-level stealth and survivability. The new F-22 features advanced stealth materials and coatings, further reducing its radar cross-section and making it nearly undetectable to even the most advanced enemy radar systems. Enhanced low observable shaping and re-engineered engine inlets reduce infrared signatures, improving survivability against ground-based air defenses and enemy aircraft equipped with infrared search and track systems. Additionally, radar-absorbent materials have been upgraded to be more durable and maintainable, solving one of the major logistical drawbacks of earlier stealth technologies. Unmatched lethality. Armed with a new generation of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, the new F-22 is capable of engaging multiple threats simultaneously.
F-22 and the AIM-120 and the AIM-19, which are air intercept missiles. One's a heat-sinking.
Its weapon bays have been redesigned to accommodate newer munitions, such as the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, providing greater range and kill probability over the older AIM-120 Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missile. Precision-guided bombs and hypersonic-capable weapons ensure that the aircraft can strike targets with devastating effect before they can respond. Moreover, artificial intelligence has been embedded into the new F-22's targeting and threat assessment systems. This means that the pilot now has a digital co-pilot that can process vast amounts of information and recommend real-time tactical decisions, increasing combat effectiveness and survivability. Super maneuverability and engine performance. The twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 turbofan engines have been upgraded with adaptive cycle technology, allowing the new F-22 to optimize performance based on mission needs, whether that means achieving Mach 2 plus speeds without afterburners, supercruise, or extreme agility at low speeds. Vector thrust nozzles and a redesigned flight control system provide unmatched maneuverability, enabling the F-22 to execute high G turns and post-stall maneuvers that no adversary can match. This makes it a nightmare for enemy pilots in close-range dogfights. Network-centric warfare. The modern battlefield is increasingly reliant on data sharing and network integration, and the new F-22 excels here. With secure data links, sensor fusion, and battlefield awareness capabilities, it can serve as a node in a larger web of interconnected platforms, including drones, satellites, and surface assets. It can also operate as a quarterback for unmanned aircraft, directing loyal wingman drones in coordinated attacks, reconnaissance, or electronic warfare operations. This blend of manned and unmanned integration sets a precedent for future aerial warfare doctrines. The new F-22 Raptor isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in air combat. With cutting-edge stealth, blistering performance, and next-level integration, it is the most aggressive and capable stealth fighter jet the US has ever fielded. As adversaries continue to develop their own advanced fighters, the enhanced F-22 ensures that America maintains uncontested control of the skies for years to come. In an era where dominance in the air can shape global events, the new F-22 Raptor remains a fearsome guardian of American air power, lethal, elusive, and unmatched.
allowing us to work with allies to develop and improve ready air forces capable of maintaining regional security. Staff Sergeant Robbie Yark, Spangdahlem Air Base, Germany.